Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open snaps on Snapchat web without phone. So all you have to do is to go to any web browser and then type Snapchat web. Tap the very first link that will appear right here. As you can see here, Snapchat for web. So you can try the new Snapchat for web on your computer to chat and call your friends, use lenses, and other features. Okay, so all you have to do is to tap this one, and it will take you directly to another page where you need to log in your account. So as you can see, this is what it looks like, and you have to click this button here, log in to chat. And then after that, you just have to enter your email address here since we want to open our Snapchat without using our phone. So type your username or your email address, and then after that, also enter your password. Once you're done, what you want to do next is to click next button, and then you can now use your Snapchat. So this is what it looks like. And just a reminder, you can open files like videos, conversation, or pictures here, but unfortunately, you cannot open a snap on your Snapchat web. Maybe soon this feature will be available, but for now, you can only open pictures, files, and other conversation here. So I really hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.